Once upon a time, in the early 1980s, Microsoft began developing a software program called Multiplan, which was intended to be a competitor to the popular spreadsheet software, Lotus 123. However, Multiplan was not as successful as Microsoft had hoped, and the company decided to create a new and improved spreadsheet program. In 1985, Microsoft introduced Excel, a powerful spreadsheet program that quickly became a hit with users. With its user-friendly interface and extensive capabilities, Excel quickly became the go-to spreadsheet program for businesses, individuals, and organizations of all kinds. Excel is a software program that allows users to organize, analyze, and visualize data using a grid of cells. Users can enter data into cells, perform calculations using built-in formulas and functions, and create charts and graphs to represent their data visually. Excel has evolved over the years, with new features and capabilities being added with each new version. Today, Excel is more powerful than ever, with features such as Power Query and Power Pivot that allow users to manipulate and analyze large amounts of data with ease. Excel is used by individuals, businesses, and organizations in a variety of industries, including finance, healthcare, education, and government. It is used for tasks such as budgeting, financial analysis, data visualization, and project management, among others. Overall, Excel has become an essential tool for anyone who needs to work with data, from casual users to experienced data analysts. It has revolutionized the way people work with data and has become a fundamental part of modern business and technology.